Hello everyone. So start from the today class. So today we will discuss about the tools of evaluations. So what is the tool of evaluation? Basically, uh, evaluations tool is the defined to how to assess the child with the usual with the very ease way. Okay. So there are many tools. So first we will discuss the rating scale. What is the rating scale? It's a measuring scale where we will measure the child by their number rating. Okay. We will give in the rate on the basis of the number. Okay, now next come to these, we will discuss the two terms. First is scholastic and second is the co-scholastic. What is the scholastic? Scholastic is basically, we will discuss the performance on the daily basis, okay, on the daily class work, daily activities were included in scholastic. Where is the co-scholastic? So co-scholastic included the cycle test plus their all the activity included here the co-scholastic. Okay, now next come to the rubric. Okay, so what is the rubric? Rubric is the, it's also kind of tools where we assess the performance of the child in each and every area. Okay, but there is a difference between the rating scales and number rating scales to the rubric scale. Basically in the rubric scale we have to be the compare. Okay, and we have to be the here using some adding value. Suppose that if the child is not able to perform in their exam, okay, not able to perform in their class, so we have to add their extracurricular activity by increasing their performance and upgrade the child by their extracurricular activity. Suppose that dance activity, sport activity, reading, writing, speaking. Okay, this all are the extracurricular activity. By this activity, if we added to their class performance activity, so the child will be get a good performance. Okay, so we will get very easy for the child as well as teacher to assess the child. Okay, now next come to the grading rating. So where the grading rating, it's in the evaluation, it's a very good grading scale because of the child do not feel pressure while get to see the grading. So it's a very good for the teacher as well as a student. So here the grading test, it's a more standardized test. Okay, in compare to other tests. Okay, now next come to the case study. So in the case study is that we carry a detail based. Okay, we observe in a detailed form. Suppose that in the case study what happened is that here about the case study, basically we will discuss the related to their parents, their whole history about the child. In we will discuss in the case study. Okay, now next come to the checklist. Basically checklist is what happen is that we are using the pen, paper and books in the checklist. Okay, now because these tools we will easily assess the child. Now next come to the cumulative record. Basically what is the cumulative record? Cumulative record is like overall recorded measure here the child. Okay, like cum is the cum is like making the all over development. So by the cumulative record we also we will be able to observe and record the child to all over development. Okay, now next come to the portfolio. What is a portfolio? Basically it's the name itself familiar to what is a portfolio. It's a kind of show the photos and here kept all the record in the photo form to the child. Okay, so this is a portfolio. It's also very good kind of evaluations. Now come to the anecdotal record. What is the anecdotal record? It's basically it's a record kept in the daily basis. Okay, suppose that their daily class activity, their daily sport activity, which is come under in anecdotal record. Okay, so thank you for the 2 day class. Okay.